Hello guys, if you have not made up to $100 trading forex before, then you need to watch this video to the end, because right here in today's video I will be sharing with you how you can make up to $100 or even above it on daily basis. All you just need to do is just to follow the simple instructions which I will be highlighting in this video, and of course stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you will understand all you need to do in order for you to achieve this easily. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos so that you will understand how to go about it and how you can apply them on your real account. Okay, so this is very important, and if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out how we can make some cool cash for ourselves trading any of these assets, and we'll be using volatility 75 as an example right here. Okay, there is one thing that is very important for you to know before you can go straight into trading, and that thing is called the trend. Okay, the market is fond of going in a particular trend for a very long time before you can decide to trade. You need to know the trend of the market. Okay, so this is very important. If you're unable to achieve this, then definitely it might be difficult for you to trade. Okay, so this is very important. In short, it is even more important to know this than any other thing. Okay, so the trend is the first thing you should know. The next thing you should know is your support and resistance zone. Okay, your support and resistance zone will guide you on when to go into a trade and when to exit a trade. Okay, so this is very important. Now let's see how we can put all these into use. Okay, in case you don't know, okay, some of you are not making money because you don't know how to identify some of these things on the chart, and that is why we have this trading tool for you guys. It is a custom made trading tool. It is called the 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator, and so many of my subscribers are also making use of it, and that is why we are milking the market back to back on daily basis. Okay, now I will be making use of the trading tool to do some analysis right there so that you will know how to put it into use in case you are having. If you are not having, kindly reach out to me on WhatsApp so that we can discuss on how we can get one for you. Okay, so quickly, let's see how it works. Okay, at the top here, we should know that we always have a major resistance zone at the upper part of the chart, and of course at the lower part of the chart we always have a major support zone at that point. Okay, and of course right from there we can see that the market has got into the resistance zone around here, and there are two things that can happen around here. Okay, there are two major strategy I can recommend to people around there. I can recommend the CIT strategy or the BRO strategy to people around there. Okay, but the first thing that should come to your mind is the CRT strategy, which means it will let us know that the market is going to change the direction because it has overbought already, so we expect it to sell. However, the market can also behave like the market. Okay, this place can be broken, and once it is broken, it means that it will keep on buying. Okay, and that is when the BRO strategy will set in. Okay, but the first thing that should come to your mind is the CIT strategy. Okay, so what you need to do is for you to look out for a change in trend around here. Okay, a change in trend around there, so you need to wait for that to happen, and that is how we got this. Okay, you can see it gave us a downtrend around there. This is why we have the red flag. You can see all this red flag, and of course that is that signifies a downtrend. Okay, so this change from a yellow flag to a red flag. The yellow flag signifies an uptrend, a red flag signifies a downtrend. Okay, so which means that the market is most likely to go on downtrend, and we should also wait for the red arrow. The red arrow goes along with the red flag, that is the red flag signifies a downtrend and the red arrow signifies a sell order. Okay, so if we are having the two in place, then definitely we should place our order around there. And right here where we are having our resistance zone, a major resistance zone should be where we put our stop loss. Like I've always been telling you, for every order you place, okay, either you place it at the beginning or it is an added order, you must have a stop loss for each of them. Okay, so this is very, very important. The stop loss is meant to protect your capital, some part of your in short, a major part of your capital. Okay, so if you're unable to do this, then definitely you are risking all your capital in a single trade. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so make sure you put your stop loss at the back, okay, while your entry point will be somewhere here. Okay, as soon as this starts picking up, okay, probably it got to this region. Remember, we had a stop loss. I mean, we were having a support zone around there, somewhere around there. Okay, so we want it to break out below this support zone first before we can say that it will sell more. Okay, so this is very, very important. You can see this actually picked up from here and of course started selling and got to this region. It went back up again and came back down to break out below it. Immediately it breaks out below it, what you need to do is that you don't need this stop loss here again. You don't need to keep, to protect your capital again. What you should be thinking of is you securing some part of your profit. So you readjust your stop loss and put it at the middle, in between your entry point and your current action price. This is the current action price. Okay, so at this stage I expect you to secure, because it has really gone far at the moment, secure 50% of the profit at this stage. Okay, secure 50% of the profit at this trade, so which means you are risking 50% of your profit in order for you to make more profit, while you have also secured 50% of your profit, which will go back to your balance immediately your trade is over. So that is a sure win for you. Okay, there is no way you will be losing your money in this kind of trade, in this type of trade. Okay, if you apply this strategy, there is no way you will be losing your money. You can ask any guru out there. If you follow this instruction, there is no way you will be losing your money. Okay, so because you are only risking 50% of your profits, that is it. Not of your capital, of your profit. This time around you've made the profit and you are only risking 50% of your profit. And as it goes down, okay, you still adjust your stop loss. This time around secure 60% of your profit, which means if the market should go the other way around, you've only risked 40% of your profit. 60% of your profit will go straight to your balance. Let's say at this stage you are making $100 in total from here to here, is giving you $100 profit. It is an example. Okay, if the market should go the other way around, probably the market decided to behave like the market and it decided to go the other way around, then definitely you will only be losing $40 out of your profit, not out of your capital, and $60 profit will be added to your capital or to your balance at that particular point. So that is so unique, guys. So at this stage you are not losing any money, you are only making profit, and you decide to raise 40% of your profit in order to see if you can still make more profit from this particular trade. Okay, and of course this goes down again till it gets to this region. At this stage, if you will realize that it is already approaching a major support zone, okay, so you need to close in on it to lock up more profit for yourself. So at this stage I expect you to be locking up about 70% of your profit at this stage. You can imagine if you are making $100 at this point, that means $70 profit belongs to you, and $30 is what you are risking in the market, which is reasonable. I believe you all agree with me that this is reasonable enough, and it makes it very simple for us to apply. Okay, because with this you will be able to make profit on daily basis. Once you have this kind of strategy at the back of your mind, you will be able to make profit all the time. Okay, this actually got to this support zone and it pulled back, and when it went back down to break out below it, and at this this point, you can see that it is very close to this major support zone. It can still make more profit if it breaks out below this support zone, but like I've always been telling you, the first thing that should come to your mind is the CIT. That is, there might be a change in direction of the trend once it is approaching a major support zone. But if it breaks out below it, then you keep on selling. So what do? Instead of you risking more of your profit in the market, you reduce the amount you are risking this time around. This time around, you close in on it and make sure you risk 20% of your profit in the market, which means if you are making $100, you will be keeping $80 to yourself. Okay, you will be keeping $80 for yourself, and of course, if anything should happen, $80 will go straight to your balance if you are making $100 at this point. Okay, and of course, $20 is what you are risking to make more profit. Okay, this actually got to the support zone. Finally, you still adjust it to make sure you maintain the 20%, and you can see it had a pullback around there and it went back up. So immediately it got to your stop loss, you will be taken out of the market and your profit will go straight to your balance. Now tell me, how you are not going to be making profit on daily basis if you are having this trading tool and you apply the same trading strategies which I have just explained in this video. On daily basis, you will be able to make profit if you are using this same method. So guys, I want you to go out there and apply this on your demo account. If you are having the trading tool, take advantage of it. If you're not having, you can ask for it, or probably if you're having any other trading tool or you are able to do your analysis right, apply the same strategy and see if you will not be making profit on daily basis. Okay, so this is very, very important. Practice it on your demo account right now and let me see your trading results at the end of the day. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.